Hi guys, here I am with gift idea number 13, and it's a very simple gift idea, but it's fun. So basically I made these little folders using scraps of scrapbooking paper. This is from the Graphics Fairy premium membership site, and then I made a little journaling card here to go in the window there. And then it opens out and you have a pocket there with acetate, so it's completely transparent. And I use one of my tags that I recently created, and then both of these are my tags here, so I thought they're really cute. And that's that one. And then, so this is my prototype that I made, and then this is the one I make in the video that I'm uploading after this one. And so again, a piece of scrapbooking paper, and then I put the pocket on the front from the Graphics Fairy. Don't tell me it's all stuck, no. And then I made a tag there, and I'll just slide that back in if I can, yes. And everything's got acetate windows, and then it opens up here, and you've got one of my tags here, and it just slides in the pocket, and then it opens out there, and you've got tag here, just the back of it. Tag here, that's the back of that one, and then a journaling card here. Okay, so I've used a lot of my kits, and so basically I was thinking this would be a cute little gift for someone. You could put your own photographs in there or not, whatever you like, and I thought it would be fun. And then on the back I just put some of my scanned doily and one of my old letters. So that is my gift idea number 13. Very simple, fairly quick, and a lot of fun to make. And also, just quickly, don't forget I'm having my sale, and it will finish tomorrow at midnight Italian time. So if you're in the States, it'll be like, if you're on the east coast of the States, it'll be 6 hours before. If you're in England, I think you're 1 hour behind. If you're in Australia, you're 10 hours ahead in Sydney, not Perth. So yeah, just remember the time differences, because one of my subbies missed out once because she's in the States. It was still the day before. Instead here it was already the next day, if that makes sense. So anyway, I hope you're all having a great time. I'm early with my project this week, so I'll upload it now, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Bye.